You're braking hard on a wet road. The pedal starts vibrating, the car stays straight, and you still have steering control. That pulsing feeling isn't a fault. It's ABS stepping in to prevent the wheels from locking. ABS, or the anti-lock braking system, is one of the most important safety features in modern vehicles. It works quietly in the background and only becomes noticeable during hard or emergency braking. To really understand ABS, it helps to see it as a complete system made up of sensors, wiring, a control module, and a hydraulic unit that all communicate in milliseconds. Each wheel is monitored by a wheel speed sensor. These sensors track how fast each wheel is rotating by reading a toothed ring or magnetic encoder on the hub or axle. As the wheel turns, the sensor produces a signal that constantly changes with speed. This signal is sent to the ABS control module through the vehicle's wiring. The ABS control module is a dedicated computer that compares wheel speeds many times per second. During normal braking, all wheels slow down at a similar rate. During hard braking, if one wheel suddenly slows down faster than the others, the module recognizes that the wheel is about to lock up. When a potential lockup is detected, the module commands the hydraulic unit to act. Inside the hydraulic unit are solenoid valves and an electric pump. The solenoid valves briefly reduce brake pressure to the affected wheel. This release happens extremely fast, far quicker than a driver could manually pump the brakes. As soon as the wheel begins rotating again, brake pressure is reapplied. This cycle of releasing and reapplying pressure repeats many times per second. That rapid modulation is what causes the brake pedal to vibrate under your foot. It's a sign the system is working, not a malfunction. In many vehicles, the electronic control module and the hydraulic unit are combined into one assembly, operating as a single integrated system. The electronic side makes decisions based on sensor input, while the hydraulic side physically controls brake fluid pressure. If system detects a fault, the ABS warning light turns on and ABS is disabled, but normal braking remains available. ABS does not always shorten stopping distance, especially on loose surfaces. Its main advantage is preventing wheel lock and maintaining steering control during emergency braking. That ability to steer while braking hard is what helps drivers avoid obstacles and stay in control. ABS works in milliseconds, constantly analyzing wheel speed and adjusting brake pressure to keep traction. It doesn't replace good driving habits, but it adds a critical layer of safety when conditions suddenly turn dangerous. If this explanation helped you understand how ABS really works, like the video, share it with someone learning about car safety, and subscribe for more clear, practical breakdowns of automotive systems.